Okey, kita nak boarding, insyaAllah. Standby-nya boarding pass sahaja. Zon 1 dahulu. Thank you. Okey, alhamdulillah selesai. Kita scan untuk boarding. Masa tu kita terbang. Hari ni dapat terbang daripada terminal. Biasa naik bas kan. Boeing 777. Kau sini. Salah masuk. Allah Akbar. Seat 48H. Ai, ini dekat tengah ni nampak ah. Allah Akbar. Al-Qadriyah. KJH. Ni besar sikit ya. 343 seat ya. Okey. Boarding. Duduk ekor tu ya, sampai ujung. Duduk kat ekor. Ya. Okey, sebentar lagi kita akan terbang menuju ke Kuala Lumpur ya. Alhamdulillah.
Please put your electronic device in your mouth on the flight phone and remember, smoking including use of lighters, matches and TVs is not permitted on board including the washroom. Take the time to download our original app and use the description of your mouth on conference room our minutes to start program. Thank you.
Let's take our seats, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the captain ticket. My name is Felipe Jimenez.
Ulan na. Ito kami roll.
All the crew will on board this Boeing 777-300. Then you are 844, then you can Kuala Lumpur. Then here the playdeck, first of its program. And we appreciate the comfort of the cabin today. Our cabin director is Anik, and our working team. As you can see, we are having a delay today due to the late arrival of the aircraft. We're going to make our best to try to reduce the delay and try to arrive as close as possible to our estimated time of arrival in Kuala Lumpur. Anyhow, I will keep you updated in course of descent. I will give you the latest weather and the estimated time of arrival to Kuala Lumpur. Our flight today is going to be 7 hours and we'll continue to 37 hours. We're expecting good weather conditions for the route. However, we recommend you to give your fuel at all times just in case you encounter any unexpected turbulence. They will remind you that for festival cuts, you're required to wear your face mask during your entire journey. I wish you a very pleasant journey on board this Federation flight. Thank you. Cabin crew, we have all our customers on board. Attention, all ground staff and the narrator department requesting all ground staff now to stay in the aircraft. We may also request all our customers to take your time sheets now as we're closing doors for departure shortly.
Alhamdulillah, semua dapat masuk. Dah, tak ada tukar lah. Tukar apa lagi? Ikut bang ni. Mana?
Aku nak sampai Malaysia. Alah. Ajar nak bangun-bangun. Alah. Dia datang Ustaz juga. Aduh. Ustaz.
Alah. Hah? Tak apa, nanti minta kat rumah tadi. Boleh minta hantar tak apa. Cuba tak? Tahu dia nak bagi tadi. Salah.
توجد جوار كل مقعد مصابيح قراءة فردية تستطيع استخدامها في حالة كانت الأضواء المقصورة خافته. كما نرجو الاهتمام بمتعلقاتك المستمعين معك أثناء الرحلة. يمكنكم بعض المعلومات عن خدمة تقدمها في أسئلة اليوم للخروج الحضرية عن فيروس بكم ومنكم مرافقة من توجيه التامة بجدية تامة وبوضع هذا في الاعتبار عدلنا الخدمة مؤقتا. تستلمون مجموعة الوقاية والتي تحتوي على صناعة الوجه وقفازات معقدة. تطبق بيوتكم 19 من المسافرين بما في ذلك الملقحين وذلك تماشيا مع إرشادات وزارة الصحة العامة في قطر. فيجب على جميع المسافرين ارتداء أقنعة الوجه أثناء الرحلة بما في ذلك الذين تم تطعيمهم بالكوفيد-19 ويحظر إزالتها إلا أثناء الطعام والشراب. كما يجب إرتداء أقنعة الوجه أثناء النزول من الطائرة وحتى وصولكم إلى وجهتكم النهائية. وحرصا على سلامتكم للحفاظ على التعاون الجنسي وعلى التدخل أثناء الرحلة. وعند الحاجة لاستخدام الحمام وتتجنب الوقوف في صف الانتظار وشكرا على تفضيلكم. Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome back to our privileged club and One World Frequent Flyer members. We'd also like to welcome our codeshare partners British Airways, Iberia, Jet2 Airways, Latam Airlines, Malaysian Airlines. As we prepare to depart from Kuala Lumpur, please ensure that your hand luggage has been placed in the overhead storage compartment or under the seat in front of you. We also ask that you switch your electronic device and mobile phone to flight mode and continue to observe the fasten seatbelt signs. Smoking, including the use of lighters, matches and e-cigarette is not permitted on board, including the washroom. In the meantime, immerse yourself in the RX-1 and flight entertainment system. There are individual reading lights at your seat, but then the cabin lights are dim, and we ask that you keep your valuables with you at all times. Continue to stay connected after takeoff using the personal device with a high-speed super Wi-Fi sponsored by Untuk. For now, free Wi-Fi is available for our Privilege Club members enrolled during the flight to join the Privilege Club. Digital food and beverage menus are available for economy customers and can be accessed through the Wi-Fi login page. We'd like to take a moment to advise about our service of God today. At Qatar Airways, we take a commitment to your safety, comfort and well-being very seriously. With that in mind, our service has been temporarily modified. You will receive a protective kit containing a face mask, glove and sanitizer. In keeping with the advice of Qatar Ministry of Public Health, COVID restrictions still apply even if customers have received 2 rows of vaccine. Therefore, the face mask must be worn throughout the flight by all, including our customers that have been vaccinated against COVID-19 and may only be removed when you're eating or drinking. Face mask must also be worn when you disembark the aircraft until you reach a final destination. For your safety, we ask that you maintain physical distance and remain seated during the flight. If you wish to use the washroom, we request you that you avoid queuing. Please let us know if there's anything we can do to make your flight more comfortable.